Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to connect PayPal to eBay. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To link your PayPal account with your eBay account, start by visiting eBay's website, which can be done on a computer or a mobile device. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, hover over your name in the top right corner and navigate to the Account Settings section from the drop-down menu. In the Account Settings, locate the Payments section. Here you will find an option to link your PayPal account. Click on the PayPal account option, which will direct you to a page where you can link your existing PayPal account to eBay. This integration is intended to streamline the payment process when making purchases on eBay. Click on the Link PayPal Account button, which will prompt you to enter your PayPal login information. Follow the instructions to sign into your PayPal account. After logging in, you'll be redirected back to eBay, confirming that your PayPal account is now linked to your eBay account. This connection will make it easier to manage and complete transactions on eBay. So that's basically how you can connect PayPal to eBay. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.